This is one of Black Girls Code's one-day workshops here at Houston Community College. This is Teach, Play, and Learn with Artificial Intelligence. What we are trying to do here is connect girls to local community resources like HCC and give them the tools to really become creators of technology and not just consumers.
Start collecting a massive set of examples and spend months collecting and more.
We are excited today to have Black Girls Code from California, supporting our young girls ages 7 to 17. This is an exciting time for young women and young girls in engineering, computer science. We have 65 girls registered. We have a number of volunteers. And at Central Campus, we are excited that our young girls from South and District 9 are here today.
My daughter is 11 years old. I'm attending this event with her so she can get the experience, expand her horizon, and learn a little bit from the other different age groups and seeing how far she can take this.
It's something new. I never expected it, but it's fun.